Dustin, I'm going to go ahead and make that pod. I'm trying to make the video at the same time. So um, if you guys would hold your questions till we're done with this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lay out these two pieces on the sketch. Remember, we're going to do this one in profile. We're going to give these some dimensions. It's 3.2 high, so it's one layer. And then this one over here, remember the radius of the pod is going to be 15.8, or I'm sorry, the diameter of the pod is going to be 15.8. The radius will be 7.9. Okay. Now, all I really need here is to go ahead and put a little compound radius in there. I'm going to use my spline tool, my fit point spline. I just need the two endpoints in the middle one. And now I can go through and start giving this guy some dimensions. I think we came up with this one that this works well as 5, and I think this one works well as 2, something like that. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and finish the sketch here because now we can go into our revolve. So it's going to auto select that profile. If it doesn't, I just have to click in there. It's a little bit more painful, but it's not too hard. So I'm going to revolve that around. You can see that this one's got a little point back here. I'm going to keep it anyway, just because I don't want to mess with it anymore. And let me go ahead and do a shell on it, which is our next step. And you can see I have this nice little lip that I can work around on it. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch here. And let's go ahead and make the circles. Remember, this has got like the hollow stud. So we're just going to throw the circle within a circle to make that. We're going to center it here in this diagonal. That means we're going to put it 3.9 from the origin, both in the horizontal and the vertical. And that should take care of this for us. Now, the inner one, we know that these guys tend to be 2.75. So that's what we're going to go ahead and make this. All right. It's the same diameter as the inside of the hand. The outer one, we could make 4.8, but if we just use the tangent relationship and snap it there, it should be very close to 4.8, and it should work out a little better for us. So let's go ahead and do that. We can use our circular pattern tool, and that's going to allow us to go ahead and copy this all the way around without having to do any real work. So that's done. Now I can finish this sketch. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and extrude these guys down into this curved surface. So let me select those pieces and to object, and I can select here. And you can see I get a nice little base to start working on. The other thing I can do is turn the sketch back on because I'm going to use that to extrude these up. And once I've done that, this thing will be done. So I'm going to hit my extrude tool, select all these circle segments, and then extrude it up 1.7. And that is the pod block. It is really kind of an easy block. Let me turn the sketch off. So that's pretty much it with this guy. Okay. Let me go ahead and stop the video.